Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. So for this week's Minute Monday video, I want to talk about damage waivers. Damage waivers are a great way to increase your average ticket size and therefore your party rental company's profitability. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with damage waivers, basically the idea is it's a question that you ask your customers during checkout. You basically are saying, for typically 7 to 10% of the total cost of your rental, we will go ahead and waive any financial responsibility for any damage that you do to our units. Now, a lot of people, when they hear this, they're terrified and they think, a lot of business owners, when they hear about this idea, they're terrified and they think, why would I do that to myself? Why would I take away my ability to collect money to pay for the damages that are done to my units? That seems like I'm just shooting myself in the foot. And that's an understandable concern. But what we've found in the real world is that companies that offer a damage waiver always, and I mean always, take in more money with the damage waiver than they spend repairing their units. One of our companies that offers damage waivers took in about $85,000 one year just in damage waivers. So it literally is just free money. It's a way to just increase your profitability. And even better if you can do it in a totally automated way. So if your website automatically is asking your customers that question, and maybe the default answer is yes, so they actually have to change it to no if they don't want that, you're going to get a lot of those damage waivers and make a lot of extra money. So we've made several videos about how ERS can automate this feature for you, and you're welcome to watch those by clicking on the link in the corner up here. So hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.